When the waste toner is full, a message will indicate this on the user interface. To access the waste toner bottle, open the front cover. The waste toner bottle can then be removed by pressing the green buttons on either side. The bottle can then be removed and replaced. Push the new waste toner bottle in place at both sides close to where the green buttons are located, and then listen for a click. This indicates that the bottle is securely in place. If you do not hear this click, firmly press on the bottle until it does, or repeat the steps to remove and then reinsert the bottle. Once replaced, close the front cover. If you notice a gap along the top edge, then this is an indication that the waste toner bottle has not been properly inserted. Reopen the cover and push the waste bottle into position, ensuring that you hear the click. Reclose the front cover and check that no further covers are open, and if they are, please close. Also check that there are no error messages visible on the user interface.